In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Pipedrive. Keeping your data clean is essential for accurate reporting and smooth workflows, so I'll walk you through where to go in Pipedrive and how to review potential duplicates for both organizations and people. First, head over to the Pipedrive website and sign into your account. Use your usual login credentials and complete any verification if prompted. Once you're in, we'll move straight to where duplicate management lives, so you can quickly spot and resolve issues. From your Pipedrive dashboard, go to the Accounts area. This is where many of your setup and management options are grouped. Inside Accounts, look for Tools and Apps. This section collects helpful utilities that go beyond day-to-day pipeline work, including the feature we need right now. Next, select Merge Duplicates. This opens Pipedrive's built-in tool for finding records that appear to be the same. The page is designed to surface likely matches by comparing key fields, things like names, emails, domains, and other identifiers, so you don't have to hunt through your database manually. Give it a moment if you have a large account. It may take a short while to load suggestions. Here, you can check duplicate candidates across two main categories, organizations and people. Start by opening the Organizations tab. This view highlights companies that Pipedrive believes might be the same, often based on similar names or shared website domains. Review each suggestion carefully. Look for clear indicators like identical company names, matching addresses, or overlapping deals. If two records truly represent the same organization, consolidating them helps prevent split histories and conflicting information. If something looks similar but isn't actually the same company, simply skip it and keep both records as they are. Now switch over to the People tab to check for duplicate contacts. Pipedrive typically flags these when names match or when email addresses and phone numbers align. Again, verify the details before you act. People can share names, and sometimes multiple contacts at the same company have similar information, so confirm that the email, role, or associated organization truly indicates one person rather than two different individuals. As you work through both tabs, a few tips will help. Take your time to review suggested matches before confirming any mergers, especially if records have long note histories or attached files. If you're uncertain, consider exporting a quick backup of your data first so you have a safety net. And make duplicate checks a regular habit. Keeping organizations and people tidy ensures your team always trusts what they see in Pipedrive.